Good evening and welcome to DeForest's Masked Singer. I am your host and choir director, Lyrica Dental. Last episode, you were able to see fantastic performances by the Crow, the Peacock, Skelly, and Masquerade. Tonight, you will get to see brand new performances. We hope that you follow the show as there will be more episodes all the way through May. Let's get started, and here's a quick breakdown on how this works. First, there are 9 contestants overall in 2 separate groups, Purple and Gold. This week, you will hear the 5 contestants from the Purple group. When an episode premieres, typically on a Tuesday, everyone has 48 hours to vote for their favorite performer. The performer who gets the least amount of votes will then be unmasked, and their time with DeForest's Masked Singer will end. This will leave one overall winner in May on our last episode. On Fridays, the performer with the least votes will be unmasked and that video will be posted. Watch carefully and have your cell phones ready and handy when it's time to vote. We will display a QR code that you will then scan with your camera app, and it will take you to the voting link. Let's meet this week's contestants. Please enjoy the Jester.
How did I become the Jester, you ask? Well, I didn't ride here on eagle's wings. If you must ask, I came from DeForest royalty. My grandparents were the king and queen of DeForest in their day, but it was my mother that was the real president of the throne.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along until you back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid life, I should have made you leave the key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now. You're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I crumbled? You think I lay down and died? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me. Somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my love and for someone who's loving me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now. You're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? You think I crumbled? You think I lay down and die? No, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll be alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Oh.
Wow, what an amazing performance. I'm sure these choices are not easy. Next up, here is Sans.
glowing in your face, and the whole world is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Wow, such great singers are amongst our staff at DeForest. Without further ado, here is TRex.
This T-Rex has outrun the mighty tigers and shed their suit of armor. Now they're just proud to be a Norsky. Until extinction.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse tack is attached. Hat is mighty black, got the boots is black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley when I bought that porch. Now can't nobody tell star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. I'm like a Marlboro man, so I kick on back. Wish I could go on back to that north town road. I wanna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my horse to the north town road. Ride till I can't no more. Take my horse to the old town road. Ride like I can't no more.
Wonderful job, T-Rex. On to our next performer. Please enjoy Ernie.
I may look like Ernie, but I'm just doing me. Though I've been around since the 70s, I've managed to stay perpetually young. Over my 25 years on Sesame Street, I only ventured away once. I may be a curious, creative, and somewhat annoying puppet, but overall, I like to think outside the box, experience positive vibes, and go my own way. I try to teach students that too. You should play the way you feel it.
I get up, I get down, and I'm jumping around, and the rumpus and ruckus are comfortable now. Been a heck of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to grow. So I got an apartment across from the park, put quinoa in my fridge, still I'm not feeling grown. Been a heck of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to go. So put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song. Everybody come hang, let's go out with a bang. I'm way too young to lie here forever. I'm way too old to try, so whatever, come hang. Let's go out with a bang. Feel like I'm gonna puke, cause my taxes are due. Do my password begin with a 1 or a 2? Been a heck of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to grow. Man, I'm up to something. Oodie-la-dee-do, thank you all for coming. I hope you like the show, cause it's on a budget. So oodie-la-dee-do, yeah, come on, here we go. Yeah, come on, here we go. So put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song. Everybody come hang, let's go out with a bang. I'm way too young to lie here forever. I'm way too old to try, so whatever, come hang. Let's go out with a bang. Been a heck of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to go. So put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song. Everybody come hang, let's go out with a bang. So put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song. Everybody come hang, let's go out with a bang. I'm way too young to lie here forever. I'm way too old to try, so whatever, come hang. Let's go out with a bang. Here we go.
Great work, Ernie. Lastly, for this week, please enjoy Jolene Siska.
Hello, you Norskies out there. I just want to say that I have a love of music. Music is my life. I play the piano, and I also incorporate music into as many of my classes as I can.
I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down. I feel my heart start to tremble, and whenever you're around, ooh baby, when I see your face, mellow as the month of May, oh darling, I can't stand it when you look at me that way. I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down, tumbling down. I feel my heart start to tremble whenever you're around. Ooh, darling, when you're near me and you tenderly call my name, I know that my emotions are something I just can't tame. I just got to have you, baby. Yeah. Hey, I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down, tumbling down. I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down, tumbling down. I just lose control down to my very soul. I get hot and cold. All over, all over, all over, all over. I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down, tumbling down. I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down.
Now, folks, it is time to vote. Which one is your favorite? Is it the Jester or Sans? Or TRex, Ernie, or Jolene Siska? You have 48 hours to vote, and the character with the least amount of votes will be unmasked on a Friday video release. Here is a QR code for you. Take out your cell phones now, scan with your camera app, and vote for your favorite performer tonight. And please join us for the next episode. We continue to watch these outstanding performers and continue to determine our ultimate victor in May. Thank you for watching episode 2 of DeForest's Masked Singer. Have a great night, everyone.